Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Welcome back to another video. So today our topic is how we can create an extension for our custom classes. Here we have created a class and we want to create an extension in another file or this file. Okay, and also if we want to create an extension for button and views, how can we create in Swift? So let's start with this class. For that, we have to use an extension keyword and we have to write the name of that class, which is appetizer view model. Okay, and what we can do in extension, if we have multiple parameters, multiple functions for that, and we have to just not write each and everything in one view or one class, we have to create an extension. And also, if we have an custom thing and we want to extend their features, we can do that using extension. So here we have to just create a function with the name of uh, check extension, and we are just not passing any parameters, and we just here print test extension. So when we will use this class in any view, like this class, so in that extension function, we can also use this function as well. If we can write here and we can write here, it's the same thing for that. Let me just do a check so you can check how we can use that. Like here we have an appetizer view model. That's the state object of that class, and we can use check extension. Okay, if we can run that uh, project, so you can see the print which we have uh, just printed here. It will show up when the project is running. So that's for the custom classes. That custom class means the classes that we have created. It's not a predefined classes like a library or anything that like button or views that Swift or SwiftUI is providing. We have created our own custom class, and it's with observable object, and we can use the extension. We can use this way, and also we have another type or another way of doing it, like create a new file and a Swift file, and you can just write the all extension thing here. But we are just going to learn it for the simple steps, so we are not creating another class or another file for that. We are just using the same way. You can do that by yourself as well. So also, if we want to create an extension for function for a color library, like we have the color and we don't want to just name it white or just black. We have our custom color, we have to use it with not this way. We want to use our dot function. So what we have to do for that, so we have to use extension, and we can just use a color extension, and here we can create a function for that. And in that thing we can also just write dark black, and like we are just using dark black. So when we will use that color, we can use this extension. If we can use the dark black, it will show us the dark black print function for that. So this is the way to use an extension for colors, buttons, or any other view. You can use that. It's just for beginners who want to learn new things like extension. How can they use that? we already run the app and we can check if the print thing is working or not. Okay, so let's say when we click on click me and it opens up the new view, it you will see it prints the text extension. So that's all for today. Hope you learn a new thing, which is a basic extension, how we can use that, and how we just create multiple classes or multiple files for one class, so we don't have to write 1,000 line or 500 line for that. So we just use only 150 lines or 100 lines for each file, and we can, if we have multiple codes and we have more code, we can create a new file and use the extension to reuse that file. Hope you enjoy the video, and hope you learn a new thing. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more relevant videos related to iOS and other IT tutorials. We are soon going to create a course of HTML as well, and also just suggest more relevant thing. If you need any other code or any other course for that, you can just comment down below, and we will try to do that as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel and comment, and also press the bell icon so you will have the latest video when we upload. Thanks for watching and have a good one.